Exploring the mysterious link between UFOs, sacred geometry, and alien communication. UFOs and sacred geometry. For centuries, humans have been captivated by the idea of UFOs, unidentified flying objects. There is an increasing amount of evidence that suggests the existence of mysterious flying objects which cannot be identified. Despite this, there are still those who believe these reports to be merely myths or tall tales. However, further research is being done to determine. Proponents of UFO sightings suggest a possible connection to the realm of sacred geometry, arguing that extraterrestrial beings use ancient symbols to communicate with humans. Exploring the possible connections between UFOs, sacred geometry, and alien communication, this article delves into a fascinating topic. Understanding UFO sightings. Before exploring the connection between UFOs and sacred geometry, it is important to comprehend what is meant by UFO sightings. People have reported sightings of unidentified objects in the sky that cannot be explained by current knowledge of known aircraft or natural phenomena. Throughout history, there have been reports of mysterious sightings in the sky, but it was the 1947 Roswell incident that brought the phenomenon of UFOs into the spotlight. The reported sighting of an unidentified flying object by U.S. Air Force pilot Kenneth Arnold in 1947 has generated widespread speculation about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. This, combined with other sightings and alleged encounters with aliens, has fueled global intrigue in the possibility. Sacred geometry. Believing that certain geometric shapes possess spiritual power, sacred geometry is a concept found in the architecture, art, and symbols of ancient civilizations. Sacred geometric shapes are revered for their deeper spiritual meaning and symbolize harmony and balance. Examples of these shapes include the flower of life, the seed of life, the vesica piscis, and the golden ratio. It is believed that certain patterns are the basic components of the universe, and that they possess great significance in many esoteric practices. The connection between UFOs and sacred geometry. It is suggested by some theorists that sightings of UFOs may be associated with sacred geometry in a significant way. Proponents of the UFO phenomenon suggest that it serves as a form of communication between extraterrestrials and mankind, utilizing sacred geometric patterns as a means of conveying its messages. According to this theory, extraterrestrial beings are believed to possess an advanced understanding of sacred geometric principles, and they are thought to emit patterns of these principles through their spacecraft or energy fields as a way of communicating messages. The crop circle phenomenon is often mentioned in UFO lore as a notable example. Mysteriously appearing in fields, predominantly in the United Kingdom, intricate geometric formations known as crop circles have intrigued people around the world. Some believe that crop circles are messages from extraterrestrial intelligence, though many skeptics argue that these formations are the result of human pranksters. Proponents of the link between UFOs and sacred geometry suggest that the intricate patterns found in crop circle formations are evidence of alien communication, attempting to convey their presence and purpose. Alien communication through symbols. If we accept that UFOs and sacred geometry are connected, we must ask ourselves how extraterrestrial beings are using these symbols to communicate with us. It is suggested that sacred geometric patterns may act as a form of universal communication, allowing people of different cultures and languages to communicate with each other. While the exact techniques are up for debate, these patterns may be a way to break through cultural. Proponents of intuitive semiotics believe that symbols possess an intrinsic meaning which can be comprehended through natural human understanding and intuition. Some suggest that the symbols may be a form of telepathic communication, indicating that there is a deeper level of communication between individuals than what we can see. It is hypothesized that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations have the capability to communicate through telepathy or mental images. By using sacred geometric symbols to communicate with those witnessing UFO encounters, these beings could convey messages or concepts directly without having to rely on verbal or written language. Scientific skepticism and criticisms. Many in the scientific community are skeptical of the purported link between UFOs, sacred geometry, and alien communication. Skeptics claim that the majority of UFO sightings can be accounted for by natural or human-made occurrences, and that attributing them to sacred geometry is unfounded. Many people believe that crop circles are made by humans rather than extraterrestrials, and thus dismiss the idea of extraterrestrial involvement. The interpretation of sacred geometric symbols is often highly subjective, with different people having widely varying interpretations. It is argued that sacred geometry can be difficult to use as a universal language of communication due to its highly subjective interpretation, as what one person might perceive as a symbol could be viewed differently by another. Conclusion: the enigmatic link between UFOs, sacred geometry, and alien communication continues to be a subject of debate. The fascination with the potential of alien communication has fascinated the human mind for decades, despite the lack of definitive proof from the scientific world. Speculation of extraterrestrial contact remains a captivating prospect, one that continues to capture our collective imaginations. No matter the origin of UFO sightings and sacred geometric patterns, whether natural phenomena, human invention, or actual alien encounters, studying them continues to propel us towards uncovering the secrets of the universe. As technology progresses, we may eventually gain insight into the mysterious phenomenon of UFO sightings and unlock the mysteries behind sacred geometry.